Hi, I'm Marna and I collect troll dolls. I'm also, let's say, on a budget. So when I find a good deal on troll dolls, I'll buy. But just because I decided that I wanted troll dolls set up at Christmas, kind of the way I got back into collecting troll dolls, I won't pay the $14 for the 3 and 4 inch Russ trolls, but I will wait for a good deal on eBay to come around. So when I found this troll in an antique store for a good deal, honestly, I couldn't even believe it. It was in a cabinet, and if you shop in antique malls, you know what I'm talking about, the locked glass cabinets. And they have a lot of trolls in there, and they're usually expensive. Not always, but usually more expensive than I will pay, higher than eBay prices. And we were walking along, and I saw this one, and I just wanted to see it. When we saw the price, Darren and I both, our eyes went like this, and into our cart she went. Actually, she didn't. The lady took her back to the desk because anything out of those cabinets you don't get to put in your cart. It waits for you at the register. Anyway, without further ado, you will not believe what I found. She is a 17 and a half. This is how she came. I haven't changed her. She's in a little baby outfit, which I think is adorable. She has on the little troll necklace. Her arms move. Her arm here and here move, as well as her head. Let me see. Her head also pivots, and her legs move, which is very rare in a troll. This is an 806 Norfin, and I thought I would never own one, and I would go look at YouTubes and look at them on Facebook and say, oh, you lucky dogs to have such a big, cute troll. I think she wears a 3 to 6 month size in clothing. I'm checking here. And I'm going to get her some holiday outfits coming up, but I just thought she was adorable. How much did I pay? So she's standing in the cabinet, and I wanted to see how she sucks her thumb, which is just the cutest little thing. You have to kind of line her up. I don't have it right yet. There we go. And she was in the cabinet, and they pulled her out, and it said, get ready for this, $25. And she smells really good. Not like that when they get older and they've been exposed to the sun and they have that Crayola-y smell to them. She smells fresh and nice, and she's clean. I thought she'd be like $125 or even more. And sure enough, $25, and we bought her. Let me stand her up and turn her around so you can see how nice her hair is. There's a little piece of fuzz in her hair. See how nice her hair is. I did not comb it because I wanted you to see how she came and hear what I paid. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.